Hey, Mike Wolf from Mike Wolf Mastery. Today I'm coming to you from a place called La Fortuna in Costa Rica. And I'm staying at a really cool hotel built into the jungle. I'm not sure if you can hear all the animals. They are very noisy, but they have all these really cool exhibits. There's a butterfly exhibit here. There's a bunch of animals. And they happen to have this ant called numerous colonies. I don't know if you can see this. But there are leafcutter ants everywhere. And once again, I'm not sure how well this is showing up, but I have when I see this, I see these leafcutter ants, and apparently they carry leaves that weigh 20 times more than they do. And that's what they spend their entire day doing. And it's a very organized system. And it's really cool. They're walking single file with these leaves, and it looks very, very organized, and it's really cool in a way. But when I see this, it reminds me of human beings. We do the same thing. We spend so much time focusing on our work, and we're in the pursuit of money all the time, and we don't take time to enjoy our lives. We don't have enough time to spend with our families. We don't spend enough time taking care of our health, doing the things that are important, much more important. I don't think we were put on this planet to do what these ants are doing. I really don't. I think we're put on this planet to help other people and create some freedom for ourselves. And when I see this, I think, man, I'd like to take some of these ants and show them a better way, and show them how, hey, you could organize your own colony and get other ants, or in the case of humans, other human beings. That's being an entrepreneur, starting up your own thing, hopefully not working hard. A lot of entrepreneurs do work very, very hard. And then get other people. There's other people that are happy to work, and they think that working hard is the key to success, and good for them. I'm not, maybe you're one of them, and I used to be one of them. So I'm not in any way judging you, and there's actually people, as I speak, working very hard, cutting down trees and maintaining this property. And there's nothing wrong with that. But if you want a better way, if you want to do things a little differently and maybe create more free time and have a lifestyle that you love, and the ability to give back and make a difference, because you've got the availability of time, you can focus on your health, you can focus on your family. If that's something you want, that's what I love to teach people how to do, how to create freedom from that, from being, I won't say forced, but spending most of your time just chasing after dollars. I can show you a much better way where the money, you can create passive income. And I'm not saying you won't have to do any work, because there is work building the infrastructure. I can shortcut that for you. My students get access to my already built teams, but I can show you how to build the infrastructure, build the teams, and basically create an ATM for yourself that spits out money while you're sleeping, while you're giving back, while you're hanging out with your kids. But whatever it is that lights you up, you can be doing, traveling. And this is all possible, and I'm living proof of it. I spend my time, even during COVID, I've been traveling. I've been hanging out in Mexico and Costa Rica, and I'm not saying that to brag. I'm saying because you can do the exact same thing. Whatever it is that lights you up, you can create that. And so if you're interested and you want some more information, please reach out to me and my teams. We are always happy to help you. We'll give you a free consultation call to see if you're a good fit for my mentorship. And I would love to have the opportunity to work with you if you want to escape that trap of trading your time for money trap. There's some people that love it. If you love what you're doing, there's absolutely no harm in continuing to do it, other than the fact that as long as you know that obviously as you get older, you may or may not be able to do what you're currently doing. So anyway, if this intrigues you, interests you, make sure you reach out to us. We're always happy to have a free consultation with you and see if we can make a difference in your life. So thanks so much for tuning in. I'm Mike Wolf from Mike Wolf Mastery. I hope to see you soon. Take care. Hey, Mike Wolf here. Today I'm in a place called Bansko, which is in Bulgaria, Eastern Europe. And this is my first time here. I've been traveling around Europe for a couple of months now. And this is, I think, my 7th country so far, and many more to come. But it's all possible because of the passive income I've created through real estate. So if you want to learn how to do this too, make sure you click the link below. We'll have a conversation to see if my Wolf Pack, which is my mentorship program, is right for you.